Hello, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how to install a set of side vents on your new Defender. In this particular case, we're using our Gotham side vents. It's a simple, easy one. Don't even need to get out any tools, don't even need to get out any beer, but if it's already out, who am I to tell you what to do with it? Cue the intro, and I'll meet you back here. First thing you want to do to get these out is open the door. That's more than enough. And then I'm going to reach right in here and I'm just going to start to gently pull it. As you pop it out, these clips are going to release, but remember on the inside of here there's some teeth, so we don't want to just yank it like that, but we're going to kind of work it out sideways. That's it. Super simple. There's the teeth I was talking about, and here's all the little clips. Next is to remove any of the clips that's stuck in the car. 1, 2, 3, I'm good at counting, 4. That's all that were left. You can save these in case the new flares or the new side vents are missing some. With all the clips removed and installed on your new side vent. Some of them come with the plastic clips and some of them require you to reuse them. So for this exercise, we just went through and installed all of the clips. They simply just snap on each position. Now we're going to roll it in. Remember the teeth? So we're going to put it in like that. We're going to align this pin in this pin and gently push it into place. There you have it. Super easy install. Just don't force and take your time getting it in place. All right, guys, that was an easy one. I'll see you on the next one.